Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to show you some new features in the latest RaceReplay which should help accelerating the process of making a web report even more. So previously, if you had entered some daily comments, which are here, you can fill in all your comments in there. If you wanted to pass that to a web report, you had to create a daily comment Excel report and then paste and copy from Excel into the Excel reports. This process is now even faster. As you can see, we have a new menu here, daily comments to web reports. So click on that. It just asks me to validate everything I've entered. Click OK. That's copied to the clipboard. So I can now go to my cell report and paste that into a cell of type HTML. So I click on the paste button and a window pops up. So here you might want to resize that window until the data looks nice and centered. The main reason for that is that it will then look good if you export your report to a Word document. It won't affect whatever you pop in the web. Anyways, we're going to load this. And possibly we also want to have just a list of events. It's always nice for the users to be able to review timestamps and all the events that were pinged. Once again, this used to be in the Excel report. You still have access to that, but we have an even faster way of getting the events to web report. You can even include tags and jibes if you wanted. Let's just go for the simple one right now. Let's copy to the clipboard. Going back to my cell report, same thing. I need to create an HTML cell and then I can paste it in. Not much resizing needed here. I think it looks pretty good here. Just click load. Now the other one that is also interesting is that if you have imported some photos, which is really easy if you do that using the Onboard Assistant's mobile app and then use the download from cloud, this should all have been downloaded and synced with your comments. Now once again, previously you would have had to create a photo report and then paste and copy each tab to the cell reports. Now we have a great little accelerator. I click reports, photo reports. I can still go to Excel, but this time I want to go to web report tab. So first thing it asks me is which variables would I like to see in terms of performance. So I'm happy with those, the basic performance variables. I click OK. And once again, I can review it just a little bit, just for sizing purposes. And I'm going to review each photo one by one. This one, maybe we can make it just make sure the data fits nicely in there. Oh. And then there, and then click on the next one, and I'm done. I can now go, so it's telling me that's been pasted to the copy to the clipboard. I can go in here and say Tools, Tabs, Import from Clipboard as a new tab. And I want to insert it after my summary. I'll click OK. And here are all my photos and the numbers that go with it. Remember that you can always zoom in and then see the corresponding numbers. Also from here I can now save that to a Word document. And here's my Word document getting created by Cell Reports. There we go. Down here we've got the daily comments, we've got the list of events, and then we got all our photos with all the data going with that. And finally, obviously, I can post this to the web report. Call it race day maybe. Click OK. That's getting pushed to the web as we speak. Once it's done, I can click on the view. And go to my summary first. And here's all my daily comments, which have been nicely formatted in HTML, which means that it's something you can actually paste and copy and eventually play with. Here are all my different events and with the timestamps. And if I go on the second page, I've got a nicely formatted tab with all my photos and the corresponding data right next to them. So that's probably really interesting for anyone who needs to review trim or anything else, or just you want to have a photo of your happy driver. And there we go.